Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Shreya's Safari. I am so excited to share some goodies I got for my bhabhi. I even used Notion to keep track of everything while preparing her trousseau, so nothing got missed. The wedding is already done, but I wanted to show you a few special things I had picked out for her. Let's take a look inside the box and see what goodies we have. I will open them one by one so you can see everything up close. First up, the Dior nail polishes. I did a lot of research before ordering because Sephora doesn't carry them, and Hall Renfrew had very few color options. I also watched some YouTube videos to get a clear idea of the shades I wanted. Can't wait to show the colors. Next, we have the Dior Backstage Eye Palette. I'm so excited to unbox this one and show you the shades. And finally, some cute little Dior samples. Little surprises like these always make a trousseau extra special. I thought it would be a fun for her to try them out. I'm so excited to open the Dior Backstage Eye Palette. Look at these shades. Perfect for everything. Cute casual day looks or full-on smoky glam for evenings. Since she is newly married, I thought it would be fun for her to try different styles. The Dior Backstage Eye Palette is so pigmented. Just a little goes a long way. Next up, the Dior Vernis nail polishes. I got two gorgeous shades, 321 Wild Beige, perfect for a classy everyday look, and 664 Sienna, a warm versatile shade for casual or festive occasions. She can mix and match depending on her mood or outfit. Finally, the miniature Dior perfume. How cute is this? Travel friendly and easy to carry in her bag. So she can freshen up anytime she is out or traveling. A little luxury she can take with her whenever she goes. She can try them out and see which one she likes the most. Everything looks so pretty together. Thanks to my Notion checklist, I was able to plan it out and give it a special touch. I can't wait for her to see everything and start using them.